Hey everybody, we are having fun today. It's a rainy day. Yesterday was beautiful at the beach. We visited Bahura and Atlantis. It was really nice. We had a great time, great meal. And today it is raining. Been raining since about 4 a.m. Off and on. So we decided we've been staying in all day, and here it comes. It's coming down hard now. We've been staying in all day, and Maurice has decided to do some cooking today, and here comes the rain. Oh boy. What is Mommy doing in there, Bria?
She's making some Monggo soup.
Her favorite Monggo soup, huh?
Yeah, because she's a Filipino.
Yeah, she's a Filipina.
Yeah, but she knows English from English class in school when she was a kid.
What are you doing?
A cooking video.
A cooking video.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I can't wait to see what's happening.
Yeah, stay dry there, Rocky.
All
Who's our
right.
neighbor?
We'll see ya.
Okay.
That's wonderful.
It's really raining now.
What's coming down?
Woo!
Yeah.
Hello everybody!
Hi everybody. Today we're making a Monggo soup.
Yeah, since it's rainy day whole day, the Monggo soup is really good for rainy day, so I'm gonna cook it tonight. So I'm gonna show you my ingredients.
And I love my mom.
Yeah, I got garlic, onion, I got breakfast sausage, it's organic, I got it from Marpa store. I got squash, 3 pieces of tomato,
Squash is my favorite.
eggplant.
Squash is my favorite to make my eyes go away.
Yes, you're gonna eat it tonight too, huh?
My blinking eyes.
I got bok choy and the Moringa Leaves. It's really good for you, really healthy.
Yep, so healthy.
And of course, the mung beans, Monggo,
Yeah.
Himalayan salt, thyme, black pepper, coconut oil. Okay, let's go start cooking. So the mung beans, this one, I already simmered this right here. I'll show you. I already simmered this for an hour, so it looks like this. So you put this one, you put like 1 cup or whatever you prepare. Like if you want a lot or whatever, you put it right here and you put the water and boil it first and simmer it for an hour or until the mung beans or Monggo is soft like this, tender.
About an hour?
Yeah, so it means it's cooked if it looks like this. You can tell because mung beans is pretty hard and you can tell it and you can feel it. It's like a rock if it's not cooked. I'm gonna show you how to start cooking. Here we go. Turn this on. And we're going to put some oil, coconut oil.
Ooh, that's about 3
Like
tablespoons.
3 tablespoons. And heat it up and we're gonna put the garlic and the onions. Okay, let's go add the garlic and the onion. There you go. My husband loves garlic, so I put extra garlic in there for him. But if you don't like it, don't put so much, but it's really good for you. Mix it together. Let's cook it for a little bit and I'm gonna put the sausage in and some seasoning in it. Alright, it's been cooking for 3 minutes, so I'm gonna put the sausage in. There we go. Mix it together. crush it. We got small spear. And mix it together. Let's cook the sausage first, and after that we're gonna transfer this everything from here over here to this soup, and we're gonna add all the vegetables over here.
We really like the mung beans because of their nutritional benefits. They're very inexpensive. You can make all kinds of dishes with them. They're readily available, and we're going to go ahead and list some of the nutritional benefits. It's antioxidant too, anti-inflammatory. Yeah, so we'll put down the benefits so you can see what that's like.
We've been eating mung beans almost like maybe 4 times a week or 3 times a week.
Yeah, 3 or 4 times a week. Now let's get cooking here. What's next?
I'm gonna mix this together.
I think you better do it. You're gonna add it to the mung beans now?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's about ready, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go add this over here in the mung beans. Here is my mung beans. There we go. Looks very good, huh?
Oh, yeah.
So the thing about these mung beans, if you are a soup drinker, you can put a lot of water when you boil the mung beans. It's up to you. You can refill it if you want. If you are a soup drinker, but we like soup too. So this is the water I put in. Filipino likes to drink soup, so I do. So here we go. We're gonna move this from here to there and mix it together. Turn this up high because I've been simmering this, as I said, for an hour now. So let's go boil this, and we go start adding some vegetables in. Alright, it's really boiling now. So I'm gonna add the squash and the eggplant. Here's the squash. And the eggplant. And we're gonna turn this down because it's high heat right now. Turn it down in a medium heat and mix it together. And we're gonna cook the squash and the eggplant a little bit, and we're gonna add the rest of the vegetables in. Okay, here we go. Cover this up. Jasmine rice smells really good. I'm hungry every time I smell the jasmine rice. Rice eater. This is the Moringa Leaves. Moringa Leaves has a lot of benefits also.
And they're so plentiful here in the provinces over here, aren't they?
Oh,
They're all over the place.
All over.
You can see them all around us here where we live. And if you go to other areas where it's not so plentiful, people will pay some money for this because it really is like a magical medicine.
Yeah, in our house in a village in Bohol, there's a lot of moringa leaves, moringa tree in front of in our house. So when my dad wants to cook the moringa leaves, he just climb over there in the tree in front of our house and cook it. This mung bean soup, you can put any meat you want. I use sausage, organic breakfast sausage. You can put either pork or chicken or leftover fish, whatever you want to put in, whatever you like. Also, you can put in any kind of vegetables you like.
My mom is the best mom in the world. I love her the most in everywhere.
Oh, thank you. You're so nice. Also, if you are vegetarian, you can cook these mung beans without meat. Like, we cook these mung beans all the time. We don't put any meat. Only today, because I tried to show you my presentation of cooking. That's why I put a little bit of organic sausage. But mostly, we don't put any meat on it. Alright, let's go add the tomato in. go. Mix it together. We love tomato too.
Yeah.
Look at how colorful is my soup.
Let me see. Let me see.
Especially when I put the moringa leaves, it's gonna be very
Can I
colorful.
see?
Okay, let's go add some Himalayan salt.
Yeah, I use that for my pasta.
Yeah.
I always eat every day for dinner.
There you go.
I might eat it for dinner.
Okay, let's go add the green vegetables. This is the bok choy and the moringa leaves. So here we go. Okay, let's go mix it.
Mix it.
That looks very good now.
Look at this, kids.
Are you talking to the kids out there watching this video?
Yeah?
What are you gonna say to the kids?
You got her audience of kids, she think, huh?
Yeah,
There's some
I
kids
did.
watching this cooking video?
Yep. I have my own channel.
Oh, that's true. You can have your own cooking show someday.
Tell to the kids to eat this soup. It's healthy.
Yep, so healthy. My favorite vegetable in the world is squash.
Yeah, tell them not to eat too much candy, right?
Yeah.
And
This-
don't watch too much iPad, huh?
Yeah, I'll say your eyes would be like this.
Yeah, like that. How's your eyes right now? Is it better?
Yep, all better because I eat a squash. The first time I eat a squash,
And you're staying off the iPad.
yep, I thought it was gonna taste disgusting, but the squash actually tastes good.
I know. Okay, let's go cover this up. And we're gonna simmer this for another 5 minutes and it'll be done.
Yeah, and I'm so excited to eat it. Thumbs
Yeah.
up for you kids, and thumbs up for you grown-up people. Grown-up people and kids. Just in case the kids are watching.
Alright, this is done, so I'm gonna turn this off. And let's go plate it. Here we go. This is for John. So I'm gonna give him some rice first at the bottom because he likes rice also. That's enough. And we're gonna put some butter, a little bit to the rice. There. And then the soup.
Hey, that is so good and so hot, but I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes at least to I don't want to burn my mouth. I burned my mouth on this before. Really good. So you guys can just imagine how good it is.
Yeah, so this is our soup for the night, for the rainy day.
Yeah, if you eat this, you're gonna lower your blood pressure and you're gonna feel great and you don't have to go wait in line at some silly ass doctor visit. Okay?
Oh, good. Look how much comes up in there.
It's very good.
Mm-hmm.
It's you can taste all the vegetables in it. Very good. So try this at home, and I'm sure you will like it. It's very healthy for you. Really, really good.
Yeah, I give it 2 thumbs ups.
Yeah, Brianna like it too. So see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Make sure to subscribe. You can buy some if you want. Whenever you want some, you have to make some, and if you forget the ingredients, just watch it all over again.
Really perfect for the rainy day.
Yeah, but I'll drink water first.
Is it easy to make?
Very easy. Simple, easy, and very healthy for you. So 2 thumbs up.